Arrive in style with this 2001 Chevrolet Astro LS. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include automatic exterior lamp control, gas pressurized shock absorbers, variable intermittent windshield wipers, delayed entry interior lighting, luggage carrier, power windows, and remote keyless entry system with alarm. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.